Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon T. And in this lesson we'll work on identical words in English and in French, and especially the words that will end with UDE in English. Well, actually, they will be written the same way in French and the meaning will be the same, but the first rule that we've got to keep in mind is that, well, the word must exist in French, and it's not the case for all the UDE words in English. Okay, and then the other thing, well, few exceptions, of course, or modifications possible. We're talking about accents or about modification of letters, not that big, but still they can occur. And then the second thing is that in most of the cases, but not all the cases, we'll see that they will be feminine. Okay, so let's see them now. Une altitude, une amplitude, une aptitude, une attitude, une béatitude, une certitude, une décrépitude, une étude, une exactitude, une gratitude, une habitude, une inaptitude, une incertitude, une inexactitude, une ingratitude, une inquiétude, un interlude, so exception here, une lassitude, une latitude, une longitude, une multitude, une platitude, une plénitude, un prélude, second exception, une promptitude, une quiétude, une rectitude, rude, une servitude, une solitude. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. And then you can like me on Facebook if you want. The address is right here. The website is waiting for you, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.